Hey beauties, it's your girl Chambre and I'm back with another DIY project. I'm super excited to show you guys how I made these cute and trendy custom bobby pins. I got so many compliments, so I know you guys are just gonna love it. If you watch any of my old videos, you know I hate long intros, so I'm not gonna waste any more time. If you are not subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button now. Hit that notification bell as well, just so you're up to date on my latest uploads. Now let's get right into it. And excuse my raspy voice, I'm getting over a cold. Before you start, here's the things you'll need. So a glue gun, the dollar store, cost me $3.50. The glue, $1.25, again the dollar store. Some bobby pins, also the dollar store, that cost me $1. And the letters, I got at a bead store at Queen and Spadina. It's called High Beats. I'll leave a link in the description box below just so you know where to find it. And I had an old pair of pliers, so pliers or scissors works for this project. So I bought two types of letters, which at the store they have many sizes. They range from 80 cents to I believe $1.20, not expensive at all. But you can actually see the letters are made for necklaces and chains. So what I do is, for the gold ones, you can see at the top it has like a little gold looping for you to pass your chain through. I go ahead with the pliers and I pop that off, which I'm going to show you now. Did was hold as much as the lettering as possible and then bent the ring part back, which it actually bends very easily. Now you want to do this for each letter. Once you're finished with your letters, you want to then grab your bobby pin. For the bobby pin, you want to make sure you're gluing on the flat surface of the bobby pin. And excuse my hands, yes, they're extremely dry. I apologize. But yes. Then what you want to do is kind of position where you're going to glue the lettering on the bobby pin. So that's what you see me doing here. So I show you guys two different types of glue you can use. One is the glue gun, which I find it's a bit more messy than the other glue that I'm going to show you, but it still gets the job done. So what you want to do is place the glue in the area where you're going to put the lettering, and make sure to place down your letter fast because the glue does dry very quickly. And as you can see, like the hanging glue and stuff, yeah, it's a bit more messier, but it still does the job. For that flyaway glue that you do see, I just kind of picked it off, which comes off really easy. For the second style, I used silver letters with rhinestones. These letters you actually have to slide onto the bobby pin. So here I'm going to show you a close-up of the bobby pin I did use, which you can purchase as well at the dollar store. Again, we're going to slide the lettering on the flat surface of the bobby pin. The glue I bought, it's from Walmart and it's called Gorilla Super Glue, which I think I paid around $5.97, something around there, but I'll leave a link in the description box for that. It can be used for a variety of different things. I mean, to bond plastic, metal, rubber, wood, many different things. So I really like this glue. Here I wanted to give you a close-up of the end of the bobby pin. So because we're going to be sliding on the lettering, you can see that the tips of the bobby pin have glue. We want to take that off. So I attempted to use my pliers. It didn't quite work. So I went ahead and I just kind of cut it off with scissors. Once that is off, you should be able to slide the lettering on. So for this part, I wanted to show you two different ways on how to do it. For this way, I didn't so much prefer just because the letters do shift. So what I did was place the glue all along the top of the bobby pin and then just slid it on. As you can see, there's an opening for the letter. But yeah, so I slid it on, but I found once it dried, it did kind of dry on a slant. And then I got glue all over my fingers, which wasn't good. It comes off, of course. But yeah, and the glue does, I think it takes around 45 seconds to dry. So yeah, I didn't really prefer this way, but it still gets the job done. Yeah, so I wanted to show you guys all the struggles with this video. Placing the glue all along the top, it does get sticky. The second way, you're going to do the exact same thing, cutting off the tips of the bobby pin, the glue at the tips. But for this one, you're going to go per letter. So I'm going to place the glue in the certain area where I want to place the letter, slide it on, and then you're going to wait until that letter dries and then go on to the next letter, just because you don't want to have glue all over the place. You don't want it sticking all over the place. So I left it and I let it sit for 45 seconds. That's how the goat dried. I mean, it still looks good, but it's a bit crooked, but still came out nice. So now my W is dry, I'm going to go on to the O. You may, before placing it down to dry, have to hold it in place for a few seconds. Another little tip I want to share is I use a toothpick to apply glue inside of the letter as well as glue on the bobby pin, just so you now have an extra strong hold. So there you guys have it, the final product. Now go ahead and make yourself some cute and trendy bobby pins. Oh, and if you want to see more pictures, I actually posted some on my Insta, so I'll leave that in the description box below. Now, if you didn't already do it, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And you should be subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.